Hello everyone. Today we are going to balance this reaction. This is aluminium nitrate. This is sodium hydroxide. This is aluminium hydroxide, and this is sodium nitrate, right? So to balance this reaction, we have to consider OH as a group and nitrate as a group, right? This is nitrate. So on the left hand side, we have one aluminium, we have three nitrate radical, and we have one sodium, and we have one hydroxide group, right? Okay, and same things I will do on the right hand side. So we have one aluminium, we have three hydroxide, right? Here we have three hydroxide, we have one sodium, we have one nitrate, right? Okay, if you observe this reaction carefully, then you have to see that here the number of hydroxide is 3, but here the number of hydroxide is 1. So I will first balance the number of hydroxide, right? It is very evident from this from our observation. So to balance the hydroxide, here we have to put, here we have on the right hand side we have 3, but in the left hand side we have just 1, right? So what I will do, I will multiply here by 3, then I will get 3, right? So if you multiply here by 3, then these 3 will come before this hydroxide, right? This means here, right? Here is hydroxide, so I have to put here 3. But if you put here 3, then number of sodium will be changed, so you are getting 3 sodium, right? So you have to change here 3 sodium, right? 3 sodium, and if you put 3 sodium, right? So now we'll look at the number of okay, so here number of aluminum 1 nitrate 1 sodium 3. In the on the left hand side we are getting 3 sodium, but in the right side we have just 1 sodium. So to balance the sodium, I can multiply here by 3, right? Then I will do 3. If I multiply here by 3, then these 3 will come before this sodium. So this sodium means here, right? So I have to put here 3, right? If I put here 3, then my number of nitrate group will be changed. That is, I will get 3 nitrate group, right? So 3. Now I will see the number of each atom. So here aluminum is balanced, here nitrate radical is balanced, here sodium 3 balanced, hydroxide 3 balanced. So this equation is balanced, right? This equation is balanced. This equation is balanced. Okay, now I will balance this reaction adopting the second way that I am going to show you. Okay, now I am going to start the second way to balance this reaction. So in the left hand side we have one aluminium, we have 3 nitrogen, and we have 3 times 3 9 oxygen, plus we have 1 oxygen. Many people forget to calculate this oxygen, right? And we have 1 sodium, and we have 1 hydrogen. On the right hand side we have 1 aluminium, we have 3 plus 3, that is we have 6 oxygen, we have 3 hydrogen, right? Let me write the number of hydrogen here. We have 3 hydrogen, right? And we have 1 sodium, here is 1 sodium, and here we have 1 nitrogen, right? And already we have taken the number of oxygen, right? So now we'll compare the number of aluminum. Here aluminum is balanced, right? Here aluminum is balanced, here nitrogen is not balanced, right? So to balance the nitrogen, I have to multiply here by 3, right? I have to multiply here by 3, then I will get 3 nitrogen, right? Okay, if I put here 3, then this 3 will come before this nitrogen, that is here, right? So I will put here 3. Okay, let me put here 3, right? Okay, 3. So if I put here 3, the number of, I have to check the number of atom here. The number of sodium will be changed, so I have to write here 3, right? I have to write here 3, and I have to change my oxygen, that is 3 times 3, 9, plus 3, 12 oxygen. So I have to write here 12 oxygen, right? That is, I have to write here 12 oxygen, right? 12. This is 12 oxygen. Okay. Okay, now again we'll look at the number of carbon. This is aluminum is balanced, nitrogen 3 balanced, oxygen 10, here 10, here 12 is not balanced, here sodium is not balanced, right? So we'll balance the oxygen in the end of this process. So we'll look at the number of sodium here. So here 3, but here 1. So to balance the number of sodium, I can multiply here by 3, then I will get 3 sodium. If I multiply here by 3, this 3 will come before this sodium, that is here, right? So I will put here 3. Okay, if I put here 3, then the number of oxygen and hydrogen will be changed. So we are getting here 3 oxygen plus 9 oxygen, and 3 times 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3, right? So I have to change the number of oxygen here, 3, 9. So we are getting here 12 oxygen, right? This is 12 oxygen, and number of hydrogen here is 3, but here we have 1. Just we have to change the number of hydrogen here. So now we'll look at the number of atoms from the both sides. So here aluminum is balanced, here nitrogen is 3 balanced, oxygen 12 balanced, sodium 3 balanced, and hydrogen 3 balanced. So this is a balanced reaction, right? So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.